Hi, welcome back to Graphic Island YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make a professional logo online. If you don't have graphic design softwares, then you can also make your logo online using GraphicsFamily logo maker section. So first of all, this is the website GraphicsFamily. And after that, once you come to this website, you'll find a graphic design, this design maker section. Under this, you'll find a make a logo. So I'll click to this. So this is the logo maker section and we'll design a logo here. First of all, let me show you how to make a ready-made logo here. So under this template, you can find there is so many ready-made logo templates are there. Suppose if you want to use this template, then just click over this and it will appear here. And now you can edit the text. So here you can write your own name. Suppose this is Graphic Island. And here you can write your slogan. You can edit this one too. And now let us change the color for the text. So once I select this text, here is the option for the color. You can choose different colors also if you want. You can see color are changing. So let me use this color. After that, if you want to increase the stroke of the text, then you can select here, and from here you can increase the stroke. So here the stroke color is white. So we'll change this to red, and here you can see the action. And if you want to increase it more, you can do it like that. And even you can use the color code here. So here let me remove. So I give this stroke is 0, so there is no more stroke. So this is the one, this is the ready-made templates you can use here, and you can use other also. Just you need to click and you can add your own name and change the color. If you want to make it smaller, you can drag it like this. Even you can rotate it. Just after doing this, you can rotate it with your own choice. Whatever you want to do, you can change the color name. Now let me explain the tools. What are the tools here you can use? This is for the text section. There are different text. You can see here you can add it to your design and make it more nicer and professional. So for an example, if I take this one, if I click over this, and here you can see the shape and the text both came here, and you can change the text. Even you can change the color, this uppercase, lowercase, bold, italic, line height, space, stroke, background also you can change. So let me select this, and from here let's choose different color. You can see the color is changing of the border, and this is the inside of the shape. If I select this and if I do this, it will change the color. So just I am showing how uh, this logo maker section works here. And let me delete those. Are you sure you want to delete all layers? Yes. So this way you can clear it. And here is the clip art. You can use those clip art and you can design. Even you can search the clip art from here. You can also upload your own design using this, and there are many other features you can use it. Here is lots of elements are there. You can take flat coin elements, this barcode, frame, icon, shapes, and even you can use the pen tool here. So suppose if I select this pen tool, and here you can increase the width. So Let me take the default width here and let me write something. If I increase the width and if I write the same, you can see it is increasing. If I increase more and if I write the same, you can see the difference. You can change the color for this, and um, apart from brush tool, here is other options. Spray circle. So if you take this circle and you can make like this, you can increase the width similar like that. If you take the spray, then you can spray it like this. This is really a nice features. I really like it. And here, if you want to take different shapes, then click over the shape, and here all the shapes will appear. From here you can use different shapes whichever you want. Just you need to click and it will appear here. Triangle, so it is coming here. You can drag it down and you can take it at the center. Suppose if you want to take this circle at the top of this triangular shape, then what you need to do is you need to go here and bring to front. Just click over this and you see it came at the top. This logo maker sections has lots of functions compared to any other online platforms. So if I select this one, you can drag it and you can use the shape inside it. You can make it bigger. And here is the layers. Like in Photoshop, all the layers will be shown. So here at present you can see 1, 2 and 3 we used. So for that, the 3 different layers formed here. And if you want to see the shortcut, then you need to click over here. You can see all the shortcuts here. Even you can use the shortcuts through your keyboard, and you can speed up your work while designing using this logo maker section. So there are lots of shortcut keys here. So you can select both, and there is an option group layers. You can group them and now they becomes one layer. You can move it at a time. You can ungroup it and you can see all the layers are separated. You can move individually. Let me use the tag. Suppose this is the logo we made and here is the text. So from here you can use a nice font. Suppose this is the font I want to use. So I just click over that and here this text will appear. I'll take it down and here I'll write something circle, and here you can edit that tagline also. You can change the color as I told. You can match up with the same color with this. So now let me rotate the shape. How to rotate it? By giving angle. So here you can see the angle options. You need to click over this and whatever angle you will give, this one will rotate accordingly. You can see here this is rotating. So you can rotate it in this way. And here is the another option, capacity. So to show the capacity, for an example, suppose this is the shape I'll take, and now you see this new shape completely hidden the older one. So if I reduce the capacity of the top of this new shape, you can see the down shape here. For that, this shape is selected here, you can see. So or if you want to do new selections, then just click over this and after that go to this capacity options and here you can reduce the capacity. You can see the back. So the more you reduce the capacity, the more visible the down objects will be here. So after that, suppose this is the logo for an example, just I am telling you. And now you are done with your logo design. What next you can do is go to file, and here is a download. You can download in PNG transparent format. Even you can download in PDF format, which is in vector format. So suppose I'll download it in PNG transparent format, so I'll click over this. The logo is downloaded. Now let me open this. So this is the design I saved. Now I downloaded. Let me open this. So here you can see we built our design. I hope this video remains helpful for you. You can support Graphic Island. Thank you.